The Brahmin's gift. Once, a wealthy person awarded a goat to a Brahmin for his services. The Brahmin, happy to receive the goat, slung it on his shoulders and started walking towards his house. On the way, 3 thugs saw him. They thought, "This goat would make a lovely meal for us. Let us try to cheat the Brahmin and get the goat for ourselves." As soon as the Brahmin reached a lonely patch, the first thug approached the Brahmin and said, "Oh Brahmin, why are you carrying a dog on your shoulder?" The Brahmin got irritated and screamed at the thug, "Are you blind? Can't you see that this is not a dog but a goat?" The thug smiled and said, "If you say so," and left. The Brahmin continued walking and after a while was met by the second thug. The second thug approached the Brahmin and said, "Oh Brahmin, why are you carrying a dead calf on your shoulder? Does this behavior suit you?" The Brahmin now got confused. He gave the thug a dirty look and walked away from him as quickly as possible. After some time, the third thug approached the Brahmin and said, "Dear Brahmin, why are you carrying a donkey on your shoulders?" Now, the Brahmin was really scared. He thought, "I must be carrying a ghost who keeps changing itself." Hurriedly, he threw the goat at the roadside and ran away from there. The 3 thugs were successful in getting what they wanted. They laughed heartily at the knave Brahmin. Moral: one should believe his own eyes. The Brahmin's dream. Once, there was a poor Brahmin. He ate whatever he received during the day. One day, he received so much rice that even after having his share, his pot was full. He stored the remaining rice in a bowl and hung it from the ceiling. He was so happy that he could not take his eyes off the bowl. He slept looking at the bowl. Soon, the Brahmin started dreaming. He dreamt that there was a famine in the village. As there was nothing to eat, he sold the rice for 100 silver coins. Using the money, he dreamt that he had bought a pair of goats. Every 6 months, the goats had kids. Soon, the pair of goats had become a herd. The Brahmin would then trade the herd of goats for cows and buffaloes. The cows and buffaloes would also multiply. All the cows would give a lot of milk. He would sell some of the milk and use some of the milk to make curd and butter. He would sell the curd and butter and would soon become rich. Seeing his prosperity, a wealthy merchant would marry his beautiful daughter with the Brahmin. The girl would be a devoted wife. She would look after his house and also help him in his business. Soon they would have a son. He would scold the son, but the son would not listen to him. He would then run after the son with a stick to hit him playfully, thinking that he was hitting his son The Brahmin picked up a stick lying nearby and started hitting the air with it. The stick hit the bowl with the rice, and all the extra rice spilled over the Brahmin. He got up suddenly and realized that he was still the same poor Brahmin and that there were no cows, no wife, and not even a son. He looked at the spilled rice and sadly thought, "One should never build castles in the air." Moral: do not build castles in the air.